Hey guys, Donna Avery here. So I wanted to show you that I have the XSH CAM. That's the box. And when you open it up, you have the instructions and the video camera. Now, the video camera's backing can be slid off. So once you've slid the plate off, you'll see where there is an area to push out for the battery pack. And it takes the 18650s. They are a very particular battery cell. So make sure that you get the correct one because they are very particular. For example, apparently there's some that have a flat head on the top. They want you to have the ones, this particular pack wants you to have the ones with the top, not the flat head. So, stick that back in there. Slide the case back on. And then what we're going to do with this is stick a USB, which seems to be rather well hidden. There's a plate at the top of the video camera. So if you look at the top, there's another place that a plate that you can pull off. You just slide it. And there is where your USB is. That's where your, I think it's a micro SD and micro SD. And then you can put the USB in there, connector, and there you are. So, we will let that charge and get right back to it.
We also bought a battery charger from Amazon, so comment below if you'd like the link.
So, when you press right here, that's what it sounds like. I also have downloaded the app, which is the XSH app, and I'll show you that in another video.
So this is the XSH CAM app. Download this to your phone, and then it will take you through the setup. I scanned the QR code. You can set up device either way. Then I clicked yes. Once I heard the voice, then I put my password into my Wi-Fi and done. This shows how the notification is sent to your phone through the XSH CAM app, and then you're able to view what is recording. So we are all set. Here's what it's going to look like from your door. This is the view from the app on our phone. We mounted with the sticky tape provided on the back plate as well as screws, and use the L wrench for an extra security measure. Make sure you subscribe to our channel today and click the notification bell for any future videos. Thanks again.